After 60 days of meticulous craftsmanship, we proudly present the 4-inch spinning pendant. Featuring 3,897 carefully selected diamonds, it dazzles with brilliance. We craft precise CAD models, forming the foundation for 3D printed wax molds with meticulous attention to detail. Once the wax model is printed and cast, we obtain the initial semi-finished product. Polishing. We proceed with the molding process, carefully removing any unnecessary burrs and imperfections through fine handcraft or mechanical techniques, creating a smooth and polished surface while attending to every detail to ensure the surface is nearly flawless. Diamond setting. Following this, we enter the diamond setting stage, which not only tests the jeweler's skill but also demonstrates their artistic vision. 3,897 diamonds of various sizes are meticulously hand-set, with each diamond's precise placement and setting method directly affecting the beauty and value of the jewelry. Assembly. Finally, the carefully diamond setting pieces are assembled into a perfect spinning pendant, with every part showcasing the exquisite craftsmanship of jewelry making, resulting in an unparalleled, radiant masterpiece. This rotating 3D custom pendant is a true masterpiece of precision, featuring 3,897 hand-set diamonds of varying sizes. It creates a dazzling interplay of light and texture. The intricate gear design adds a unique mechanical charm, while the bold monogram centerpiece rotates smoothly, making it the soul of this piece. Every element, from the flawless diamond placement to the polished edges, reflects the pinnacle of craftsmanship and attention to detail. Follow and like our channel to unlock exclusive and exciting content about jewelry and fashion. Whether you're passionate about the latest trends or the unique charm of fine jewelry, you'll find endless inspiration here. If you've been dreaming of owning a one-of-a-kind piece, we'll craft a design that perfectly reflects your personality and needs. DM us now to begin your personalized jewelry journey.